Let's do it again. Everything looks good. Put it in your toolbox. That's what's gonna make these so handy. Hey everybody, welcome back to Gerald Farms. I'd like to introduce y'all to a product that's new here to Gerald Farm. Check out the Strapinno, the toughest ratchet strap ever. We're gonna get them up here in a second and check them out and demo each one of them and bring you along and check out the specs on them and go over and put our side by side on the trailer and ratchet them down and see how they work compared to conventional tie straps. We'll have links in the description of the video to the Amazon links where you can pick up your Strapinno strap. Okay, first up is the Strapinno 1-inch ratchet strap. This one's 1 inch. By 6 foot. It's 500 pounds work limit, 1,500 pounds brake strength. All right, now what you do is right there it's locked like a normal ratchet strap. You carry it to the unlock position, which is there, and it just pulls out. Then once you say you pull it to there, then you just start ratcheting, and then you go to undo it same way. Puts itself up nice and neat. Throw it in your toolbox. Next up, we have 1.5-inch Strapinnos. Is 2,200 pound workload and 6,600 brake strength. A lot heavier unit. Comes with your D-rings. Hook it back to itself. Nice long lead on the ratchet end with a D loop on it. Operates the same exact way. Carry it to your unlock. Pull your strap out. We're going to go over to the trailer here in just a few minutes and demo them. Let's just get back to looking at what we got. And here is your 2-inch Strapinno. Comes with the safety locks on. And this one is 3,300 pound working, 10,000 pound brake. We'll use these to tie tractor and equipment down on the trailer. Same thing, carry it to your neutral, pull it out. And your 2-inch also comes with like a 3-foot soft hook with a scuff guard on it that's movable, that moves around. Nice soft hook. Each 2-inch strap comes with one. All right, we got our Polaris Ranger on the trailer here. This is how we normally tie it. And a lot of people say normal ratchet straps are so hard. Normal ratchet straps are only as hard as you make them. But we're super excited about how easy these straps is fixing to make it. One thing I do not like about these ratchet straps right here, you see how neat we got them rolled up? So they fit in a certain spot and they don't come untangled and you don't have to redo your strap. Let me go show you how they look when we take them out of this box. This is my complaint. See all these straps? That's my complaint. that I'm hoping that these Strapinnos is going to eliminate for us. See how these things work. Let's get the old one out the way. Set our new one over here. Carry our ratchet to neutral. Just pull it out. And then you just click it. Easy enough. Carry it back to lock. We might could back the machine up, or I probably won't need my soft hooks on the trailer, but we just demo it. Here to neutral, pull it out, just take the slack out. Let's go to the back. Said I probably don't need to leave my soft hooks on here for these new straps, but we got to figure it out. Cause see, what I could do is run that strap right around the bar, hook it to the provided D-link like that, kick this in neutral, pull it, hook it, take the slack out. I'm gonna grab the 1-inch one now to demo it, which is probably really all we need on here, but see, let me show you this. The 1-inch ones have little S hooks in there to keep it from unhooking. I like that. To be honest, we're probably gonna put these in the race car trailer. Snap it on, pull it out, hook it on your soft hook, just tie her down, take the slack out. Lock your ratchets, good to go. Now we'll bring you closer and show you how we undo them. All right, I moved you up. Watch how easy it is to undo it. Pull it up. Watch it reel up. How about that? Put it back in lock, throw it in your toolbox. She's done. Watch it reel up. Put it in your toolbox. That's what's gonna make these so handy. They won't be messed, tangled all up. They retract themselves. So far it's looking like a thumbs up. All right, we got this one hooked at the back. We're gonna pull it out to the front and let it retract. Let's do it again. Let's do it several times and make sure that it continues to work. Everything looks good. Just bring it up here so y'all can see it. Everything is reeled up nice and straight. Let's get back over here to the table. I've seen the products that Strapinno has sent us. I'd appreciate it if y'all head over to the links in the description and check them out. I think they've got fine quality products. They seem to be very heavily made. I mean, if you feel the weight of this thing compared to your normal ratchet strap, it's really gone. You understand what I'm telling you about the weight. Heavy, good made stuff. But as you know, y'all that know me, you know I'm gonna tell you the truth and be honest, and be on the lookout for update videos, and you'll see these on all of our four-wheeling videos. We'll be strapping our side-by-sides and four-wheelers down with the 1.5 inches. The 2 inches we'll be using on farm implements and stuff, and probably gonna be ordering me some more 1-inch ones here myself here probably by the time this video goes public, because I want at least another set of 4 of them 1-inch ones for tying stuff down in the race car trailer. But make sure y'all head over to the links and check them out, and thanks Strapinno for stepping up and being a supporter here of us at Gerald Farms on YouTube. And thanks for watching. Have a good one.